All right, it's Tuesday, February 13th. I'm going to re-enter some SPY 499 puts at 445 here. Kind of aggressive given my previous video, but we're getting the 2 down red bar here. I discussed how I bought puts early on. I scaled out said Renor's trade. I took a small gain on this green bar, still biased to the downside. So normally I would wait for like a move down here and then a pause and then something to attack these lows. In this case, given the 2 down red bar and my overall bias to the downside is discussed on the opening videos, I'm going to aggressively buy the puts on this 2 down red bar here and see if this is just taking out, higher highs and ultimately making lower lows in line with the daily bar that's gapped down and still has targets down to these weekly lows down here. So even though we had a little bit of a down move and then a little reversal, I discussed how, I wouldn't be surprised to take out liquidity, which was kind of the high of the day, into this gap, and now we're getting the 2 down bar. So I'll see if this kind of follows through lower. If it all works out, then this should end up coming down to the lows of the day at some point, and this bar should end up, negative, and by the end of the week we should be getting down here. So I'll see if that unfolds here with this 2 down bar. If we keep heading up, I'll just kind of monitor what kind of a rally, if I see the strength. If it doesn't seem too strong, if we head higher, then I still think there's a rollover potential. So anyway, buying puts here. We'll see if it kind of works down to the lows of the day before the day's over.